Welcome to Goldie's Room, guys. I'm Call Sign Land. Go check out everybody else who's here and have fun. Woo!
That was my bad. My bad.
No, it's good.
Best of luck.
Hey, bro, we're dead.
I know, I see you. Welcome back, family. You join me live in the heat of the action as I'm making my way to sneak attack the enemy at Bingfield during Operation Red Dawn Rising. And with this gameplay, I'm sorry to say, my run cam was having some difficulties and just wasn't recording properly. So, edit this video in such a way where you can still see the BBs and still see some of the kills, and I really hope you enjoy this one. And if you do, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get it. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Now that active threat is taken out, I communicate with my teammates to let them know that we now hold this objective.
Hit.
I was further down the trench. Ooh. I got something for you. And this is what I mean. See, like the scope cam was just not cooperating with your boy today. I don't know what it was. It just was not working. It'll come on, then it'll die, then it'll come on, then it'll die. Maybe I just need a new one. I don't know.
Hey, they need help up at barrels because apparently the payload's already in towers.
They took the castle. How's it already in towers?
I'm going. 30 minutes of low crawling, we finally reached the heart of enemy territory. It's time to do some damage.
Caller. What team are you?
What?
What team?
What team am I?
Yeah. Hey! What the fuck? Hey. Call it, bro.
You didn't say bang bang.
You
You didn't say bang bang. You didn't say bang bang.
I asked you for your team, bro.
That's not bang bang. Is that fair or not? That's not bang bang.
It's not fair, but I'm gonna be a pussy.
What's up, Doc?
Communicating with my team through the woods right here, I let them know that all the players in this area are dead and it's clear to proceed to the area to our next objective.
I only saw him, my bad.
Best of luck. Best of luck.
I'm like right here. You good, you good. I ain't mad, I ain't mad.
I shot him first.
I know you good.
Fuck.
I still love you.
As me and two other of my teammates are making our way to the bottom of the ridge, we see enemies hidden in the weeds right here, and we slowly try to creep our way up there to make surprise them. Until this happens. Just wait, you'll see it.
Bang bang.
Disguise, motherfucker.
I'm already looking at you, son. You pretty.
I saw your head come on.
Are you blue or red?
Oh, I'm red.
Then what color are we, bro?
Oh, I'm red.
Then I'm red.
Oh, shit. Okay, I didn't see you.
Come on, my bro.
Hey, we gotta, wait, were you the dude up on top?
Huh?
Look on the visuals for one at me. Motherfucker. Shit, that's in red. I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
Oh, what?
And that's the end. Thanks again for watching the episode, family. And if you watched the
all the way
episode
back there.
all the way
All right.
to the end, please, please, please smack that subscribe button and that like button to help me reach my goal of 100 likes this episode. We can do it, family. I know you're there. You got 30 last one. We got 51 before that. You got it. We got it. We here. We good. Hey, see you next time. We out. Peace.
Maybach music.